Last December, I got invited to witness the millionth Singaporean visitor in Thailand. And in early January, I received another invitation. Hello? Yeah. Oh, Tourism Authority of Thailand? Yeah.
Do you wanna visit Chiangrai?
Do you mean Chiang Mai?
No, Chiangrai.
Mai?
Raila!
AirAsia is launching their inaugural direct flight into Chiangrai. That's why... Hold on. Inaugural? Inaugural. Basically the first ever direct flight. Tourism Authority of Thailand challenged me to go there for 4 days 3 nights, have me plan my own itinerary within a budget. But of course, this is no $100 nomad. This is $600 millennial, okay? So plan the itinerary and I'm off. Then again, this is not an adventure I want to take alone. That's why I'm bringing along a partner in crime. This is Adelie. It's a free neck pillow because it's their first flight.
女士们、先生们，我们需要提醒您，本次班机是非西安航班，西安在
Okay, we have landed. Lucky thing is, right outside the airport, there's already a taxi stand. So they clearly tell you approximately how much it costs to go to your location. That already helps a lot. So the first location we're headed to called Rairuenrom. Pronounced totally different in Thai, but that's the best I can do. It's this farm stay area which is a little bit rural. As in the facilities are still developed, they still have electricity and everything, but they give you this farm stay experience. I'm pretty excited. I think if we have time, if we're there fast enough, we can actually still play with goats and sheep and... Okay, we need to check in first.
Okay.
But you can go say hi first. Oh, I want to go. There's no actual like reception or anything. We kind of just walked up to the cafe. We're gonna fill out our menu first. Apparently that's the first thing we need to do. So at this place you actually get dinner and breakfast covered, which they make using their own produce. So first step was to pick out what we wanted for our meals before we headed to check in. Other than goats and sheep, they also have a few resident dogs. This is one of them. But you... Always take off your shoes. And... Wow! Over here, basically at this organic farm, you book yourself a tent. They're like the indoor areas as well, but actually the tents are cheaper and they look so much cooler. There's a fan. The bed situation looks like this. 2 bean bags at the table. And yeah, we got our private bathroom here as well. Wow! Yeah, this place has got everything. Wi-Fi is settled. So now, a part of this whole package, you get all these activities as well, which includes like feeding sheep, goats, tie-dyeing, and price check. We spent 800 baht to get all the way down here, which was a 1.5 hour drive almost. And this room, this whole package for one night is actually 2,880 baht. But the thing is that includes like dinner, that includes a breakfast, and includes all these activities. So honestly, even though it's like comparable to a hotel price already, I think for the whole experience, it's still really good. This is activity number 1, learning how to do natural tie-dye. So first they show us the different types of patterns in the dyeing. Then show us how to create these patterns by forming creases with tools like chopsticks, rocks, rubber bands, etc. 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 From a large cloth, it became this. tie-dye process is done. Here it is. This is mine. So that's the one with the string. This is like freehand. This is with chopsticks where you twist. This is with the rock. And this is Adelie's. It's really nice too. We met two of the interns who are here. Yeah, that's Nan. That's on. They're actually interning here at this farm stay. Oh my god, these are 1 week old. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I put him in? Why is he outside?
On the loose.
Come back and dinner's prepared. Okay, this is fried fish. This is the signature stir-fried
Grilled
veggie.
vegetables.
The soup. Brown rice.
Right.
Ooh. All these foods are from the farm itself.
Everything is our raw material in here.
Wow. It's kind of a pity that we came during the weekday because on the weekend I heard they actually hold a little party at the communal area. But we still got to play Uno with the residents and that's kind of how we ended the night. Honestly speaking, this place is really cool. Everything they stand for with the self-sustaining infrastructure behind it. Tomorrow morning, early morning, we're heading for Fujifa, which is one of the most common hiking spots and one of the most beautiful spots. We're gonna get an early vehicle at about 4 AM. It's gonna pick us up